Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to do a fresh and natural glossy makeup look. I prep the face first with serum to make the skin texture smooth, plump, and more radiant. Then I start applying a cream foundation from the center of the face, forehead, cheeks, and chin. I use the Ultra HD Stick Foundation because it gives more coverage and still looks like your second skin. I use damp sponge to blend the cream foundation as it gives smooth and even coverage. Apply the concealer starting from the hollow area of the under eye and blend it out. Here I use Ultra HD Concealer because it has 12-hour self-setting power and has Beauty Booster Complex that illuminates and optically erases the lines. Plus, it's super weightless. I usually apply a bit of concealer on the lids as base. Then I spray mist and fix all over the face to improve the hold. That I apply the micro finishing powder to set the foundation. This powder does not only mattifies but it also clears out imperfection. Use an angle brush and apply the brow gel following the direction of the eyebrow hair growth. Slowly fill in the gaps and do not apply too much product on the head to make the brows look more natural. If you apply too much brow gel, just blend or diffuse it with a spoolie. To make her brows look more fuller and feathery, I created hair-like lines and brushed the hair in an upward stroke. For the eyes, use neutral color and sweep it all over the lid and make sure it's well blended. Add a bit of highlight on the inner corners of the eyes, then blend it with the eyeshadow color that was first applied. So I'm going to highlight the highest points of the face using Started powder. The light you created will already give you a shadow, and that will make your face appear look sculpted. So to avoid a severe look, use a dark brown pencil and start lining the eyes and make sure it's very close to the lash line so it will look natural. Now curl the lashes before applying the mascara. Coat the lashes starting from the roots in a wriggling motion and apply mascara on the lower lashes as well. Sweep the blush on the opposite of the cheek to achieve a healthy glow. Now, I'm using Ultra HD Cream Blush that gives a soft, natural hint of color. Choose a lip color that will complement the skin and make the complexion look more brighter. And then apply lip gloss on top, and it's done! Here's the final look. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you!